കുടജാദ്രിയിൽ കുടികൊള്ളും മഹേശ്വരി ഗുണദായിനി സർവശുഭകാരിണി. A trip to the 13th highest peak of Karnataka. 9th January. On the way to Kollur, we also visited Kodajadri Hills. The hilly region that is full of Kudaja plants, jasmine of the hill, is Kudajagiri. It is also called Kudajadri. So, we are going to Kodajadri trekking. We will start now. We parked our car there. For Kodajadri trekking, our cars are not allowed. Basically, it's a little bit off-roading. So we need to take the jeep from here. We have hired a jeep. 2,200 we need to pay to the jeep. And the additional ticket, entrance ticket for the forest per head 25 rupees. And for vehicle 100 rupees entrance fee we need to pay there. All around it will come 2,500. So we started from here. Now time is 10:25. More kilometer.
Up and down.
So ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
1.5 ತಾಸು.
ಹೌದಾ? Out of 14 kilometers drive, 9 kilometers off-roading. ಈ ಜಾಗ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಸರ್? ಕಟ್ಟಿನಹೊಳೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಫ್-ರೋಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? From here, off-roading will start. The place name is Kattinahole. Let's see. ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ರೇಟಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಓಪನ್ ಓಪನ್. This is the real off-roading. You can see only 4-wheel drive vehicle. Jeeps only will be go through this route. So that is why forest department is not allowing our private vehicle to enter inside due to this off-roading. 4-wheel drive vehicle ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫೀ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ. Very tough route. Nanda, how's it off-roading?
Quite bumpy but awesome!
എപ്പോഴാണ് കയറാൻ തുടങ്ങി?
ഞങ്ങൾ 2 മണിക്കൂർ.
2 മണിക്കൂറായി. ആ, എവിടുന്നാ നിങ്ങൾ?
ഞങ്ങൾ നാട്ടിൽ എറണാകുളം.
എറണാകുളം. ആ, എറണാകുളത്തോടെ?
എറണാകുളം മൂവാറ്റുപുഴ.
മൂവാറ്റുപുഴ. ആ,
ഇവിടെ താമസിക്കുന്നത്.
ആണോ? ആ, എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് നടന്നു കയറി?
കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല, വെള്ളച്ചാട്ടവും
ആ
തന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ കുത്തനെ കയറ്റുന്നത്.
ആണല്ലേ? ആ. A song scene in a famous Kannada movie, Galipatta, has been shot at this location. We stopped here for enjoying the scenic beauty. Now we are going to the top of Kodajadri. It is 1.7 kilometers from here. Till there, jeep will go. There is a guest house. Till there, jeep will go. From there, we need to again trek for 1.5 kilometers to reach the Sarvajna Peedam. Let's start from here. We'll show you once we reach there. Sunrise point. We are close to the top of the mountain and the jeep will stop here. Need to trek 1.5 kilometers from here to reach the top hills.
12 1 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಸರಿ, 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರಿ. Here you can see temples dedicated to Chamundeshwari, Kalabhairava and also Mogambika Moolasthana.
ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಗುಡಿ ಇದು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅದು ಕಾಲಭೈರವ. ಅದು ದೇವಿ ಮೂಕಾಸುರನ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲ. ಅದು ದೇವಿ ಮೂಕಾಸುರನ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಕಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂತಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಏನು ಲೋಹ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಫುಲ್ಲು ಮೂಕಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಮೂಲಸ್ಥಾನ. ಅದು ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಉತ್ಸವ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಉತ್ಸವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ ಚಿತ್ರಮೂಲ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಶ್ವರ ಬೃಹದೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅರ್ಧ ಮೈಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗಣೇಶ ಗುಹೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧ ಮೈಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗಣೇಶ ಗುಹೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಪೀಠ ಟಾಪ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚಿತ್ರಮೂಲ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಪಣಿಗೆ ಉಗಮಸ್ಥಾನ.
There is an iron pillar installed in front of Mogambika Moolasthana, a temple near the peak of Kodachadri, and it is compared with massive similar historic iron pillars located at Dar, Mount Abu, etc. Devotees believe that this is the Trishula used by goddess Mogambika to slay a demon called Mogasura. On the way to Sarvajñapidam, here you can see the fog coming, the mist coming in. I will take a beautiful time-lapse video from here. കുടജാദ്രിയിൽ കുടികൊള്ളും മഹേശ്വരി ഗുണദായിനി സർവശുഭകാരിണി.
He is not a singer, but by seeing the beautiful scenery of Kodajatri, he cannot stop singing.
മംഗളമന്ദസ്മിതം തൂകൂ. കുടജാദ്രിയിൽ കുടികൊള്ളും മഹേശ്വരി ഗുണദായിനി.
Those thorny plants, as well say plants.
After an hour trekking, we reach the top hills, the Sarvajñapidam. It means seat of utmost knowledge. It is believed that Sri Shankaracharya meditated here and attained his enlightenment. we climbed the Sarvajna Peedam. It is 4,406 feet height above the sea level. Now we are climbing down. It is really amazing view here. I try to capture as much as possible. Now we are climbing down. I recommend please carry some snacks or water. Here nothing is available around, so please carry some water bottle, but don't dispose the water bottle here and there. So there is dustbins here. Please dispose all the plastic material here. How was your experience?
So exhausting!
Why?
So much to work, of course.
Not enjoyed?
No.
Why?
How was the view? Nice, but my experience was exhausting.
After the amazing trekking to the Sarvajna Peedam, we are going down now. Tumba thanks, sir. After trekking, we had lunch. All are tired. Directly we are going to check in Hotel Mahalakshmi Residency near to Kollur Mookambika Temple. The link of Kollur Mookambika Temple episode is provided in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.